Number 1. The 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Type S, priced at $7,500, located in Orangevale, California. It is in well-preserved condition. The paint appears glossy and well-maintained, giving it an attractive classic look. The car is equipped with functioning air conditioning, AC system, capable of providing cool air. The interior remains original with classic upholstery, though there is somewhere on the steering wheel, reflecting its usage. The factory V6 engine seems operational, with a relatively clean engine bay. The car comes with 2 sets of wheels, factory rims, and wire spoke wheels for added style options. Additionally, the car's performance is said to be solid and ready to drive. The price is very reasonable, or best offer, OBO. The car is stored at the owner's residence, and contact information is provided for potential buyers. Number 2. The 1973 Pontiac Ventura, priced at $10,000, located in Vacaville, California. This car has undergone numerous upgrades for performance, comfort, and style. The front suspension features new Hotchkiss springs and shocks, while the rear has new leaf springs and matching Hotchkiss shocks. New wheels and tires get a modern look, though the original rally wheels are still available. The braking system has been upgraded with front disc brakes and rebuilt rear drums. The interior has been enhanced with new carpeting, Dynamat insulation, modern seat belts, and an Android CarPlay entertainment system with a backup camera, subwoofer in the trunk, 6x5 speakers in the front, and an amplifier. The engine has been rebuilt with an Edelbrock kit, trans AM valve covers, a Holley Demon 625 carburetor with electric choke, an Edelbrock fuel pump, and new fuel and brake lines. A new Flowmaster exhaust, deep cycle battery, and only 82,000 original miles make this car a solid offering. It retains its classic appeal with a vintage-style vinyl roof that's just a year old. Despite minor flaws such as imperfect paint, a missing Ventura emblem on the passenger side, and a few small dents, this car offers significant charm at a special price or negotiable terms. It's perfect for collectors or classic car enthusiasts seeking a blend of vintage style and modern technology. Number 3. The 1982 Oldsmobile Toronado, priced at $8,000, located in Berlin, Connecticut. This car is well preserved for its age and type. The interior is in good condition, with neat red velvet seats, well-maintained carpets, and wooden dashboard panels, adding to its classic charm. The exterior features glossy red paint, although minor signs of aging may be present. The underside shows mostly intact components, though some rust is visible, which is typical for cars of this era. The owner notes a few minor issues: an inaccurate fuel gauge, high coolant consumption, likely requiring a radiator replacement, and the absence of a heater, making it less ideal for cold weather. The brake master cylinder and starter have been replaced, and the engine starts and runs well even in cold conditions. This car is suitable for classic car enthusiasts seeking a unique vehicle with a rich history. The seller is open to negotiation or trade for a truck from the 1990s to 2000s. Number 4. The 1973 Plymouth Satellite, priced at $8,000, located in Flowery Branch, Georgia. This car has been in the family since 2000 and kept in the garage ever since. Originally equipped with a 400 CI big block engine, it now has a 360 CI Magnum engine that runs well, paired with a rebuilt 727 transmission. The car features an aftermarket AC and heating system that are functional. The paint and bodywork were done approximately 15 years ago, though there are some imperfections, such as minor rust in the trunk area and seams, along with bubbling on the lower rear sections. The interior has been refurbished with a new headliner, carpet, and dash pad. Many mechanical components have been replaced or repaired, including the suspension, steering system, Edelbrock carburetor, fuel system, and exhaust system. While some gauges are non-functional and the car lacks a radio, it is ready to drive and comes with additional spare parts, like the original 400ci engine block. This is not a show car, but is solid and enjoyable as is, or for further upgrades. Number 5. The 1978 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $6,500, located in Tracy, California, with a clean title and smog exemption. Powered by a Ford Big Block 460 engine, paired with a C6 transmission, this car has received numerous updates, including an Edelbrock 1406 carburetor with an electric choke, a new alternator, starter, power steering gearbox, and various gaskets. Performance upgrades include a Holley Blaster ignition coil, Holley Street Fire ignition wires, and a trick flow timing kit. The car is equipped with stunning 22-inch aftermarket wheels and new tires. The interior features brown leather upholstery in fair condition, though signs of aging are present. All lights and windows function properly. The audio system has been upgraded with an aftermarket stereo featuring an AUX input for speakers in the trunk and wiring for a subwoofer. The seller has dedicated significant time to maintaining the car over the past 4 years and is open to cash offers or trades for other smog-exempt vehicles. This car is a unique blend of classic and modern style with enhanced performance features. Number 6. The 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $9,000, located in Claremont, California. This vehicle is in fairly appealing condition for a classic car. The engine and transmission have been fully restored, featuring a 390 engine with a medium-rise intake runner and an Edelbrock 4 BBL carburetor with an automatic electric choke. The cooling system has been upgraded with an electric fan conversion. Additional upgrades include a 2.5-inch stainless steel dual exhaust system, a heavy-duty chromy drive shaft, and a forged steel output yoke for the C6 transmission. The exterior is well maintained with period-correct paint, though the interior requires restoration for the buyer's preferences, including reinstalling power steering and trunk lining. The vehicle features new tires and an improved braking system. This car holds a unique history, having been used as a movie prop before its first private ownership. With approximately 10,900 miles reported on the chassis, it is fully operational and visually impressive, though it may need further refinement. Number 7. The 1965 Plymouth Valiant, priced at $13,000, located in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This car features a 318 engine with an automatic transmission and a B&M shifter. It has undergone significant modifications, including a large bolt pattern conversion and front disc brake installation for improved braking performance. The interior has been refreshed with high-quality materials from Legendary and a new windshield. The engine is paired with an aluminum radiator for optimal cooling, and several maintenance tasks have been performed to ensure reliability. The vehicle is described as very straight, rust-free, and highly dependable for driving, with an eye-catching red paint job. It offers a quick and enjoyable classic car experience, especially as a Southern classic. The seller is open to trade offers, particularly for a 1947 to 1954 Chevy Panel or Suburban or other vehicles from 1962 to 1965. Number 8. The 1959 Ford Ranch Wagon, priced at $10,000, located in Williams, California. This car is described as being in fairly unique condition. According to the seller, the floor has been completely replaced, followed by the installation of new black carpeting. The interior mostly consists of parts taken from a donor car, requiring further work for refinement. The engine is a 352 FE with an Edelbrock performance package, including a 750 carburetor, Performer camshaft, Performer 390 intake, Sanderson shorty headers, and an MSD ignition system. The car is equipped with front disc brakes and a line lock feature. It sits on 17-inch American racing wheels with new Cooper tires. Notable flaws include poor paint condition, crankcase pressure issues, and the need for interior restoration. Despite this, the car remains drivable with a strong engine, offering long-term usability. Number 9. The 1984 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, priced at $5,000, located in Vallejo, California. This car is operational but has some shortcomings. The engine has less than 50,000 miles since being rebuilt, though the carburetor occasionally floods and may need cleaning. The fuel lines might also require adjustment, potentially adding a return line. The suspension has been replaced, except for ball joints, but the car needs alignment as it rides somewhat rough. The transmission mounting needs reinforcement. The interior is rated 5 out of 10, while the exterior paint is rated 7 out of 10, with a vinyl top in decent condition. There is no rust on the car's underside. It uses an electric fuel pump from AutoZone and has good tires. The car is being sold with all additional trim and is open to trades for vehicles like trucks, Harley motorcycles, or sports cars such as a Mustang GT, Camaro, or Chevy truck, with a preference for straight swaps. Number 10. The 1972 Plymouth Scamp, priced at $10,000, located in Freehold, New York. This car boasts interesting modifications and classic features. The interior remains original and in good condition, offering a vintage yet comfortable feel. The 225/6 engine has been modified with headers, an intake, a deck block, and overbore for improved performance. Additional upgrades include a large camshaft, MSD ignition system, and a boom tube exhaust system, delivering a distinct sound and power. The suspension features air shocks for adjustable comfort or performance. The exterior has a crusty aesthetic without serious rust, appealing to hot rod enthusiasts. Overall, this car is a versatile classic, ready to attract attention, suitable for personal use or as a trade for another project. Number 11. The 1970 Chevrolet C20 Camper, priced at $10,750, located in San Gabriel, California. This long bed truck features a 350 V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and 880,000 original miles. It has a clean title and is exempt from smog tests due to its classic status. The truck appears to be in fairly well-maintained condition with a clean white exterior and a simple cabin design, free of major modifications. However, it lacks factory power steering and air conditioning. The braking system still uses drum brakes. Minor issues include a carburetor that may need cleaning or adjustment. All necessary paperwork, including the pink slip, is available, and the vehicle's registration is paid until November 2025. This truck is ideal for vintage vehicle enthusiasts, but will require some additional work to achieve optimal performance. Number 12. The 1968 Rolls-Royce TC2000, priced at $5,700, located in Los Angeles, California. This vehicle has undergone an extraordinary restoration with great attention to detail. It is a high-quality collector's car with a solid California body. The restoration includes glossy new paint, fresh chrome, new trim, genuine leather interior, new carpets, a new headliner, and an upper engine rebuild. It features a manual transmission and has very low mileage. However, due to being in use since the late 1970s, the braking and hydraulic systems need repair before it can be driven. Despite this, the car remains one of the finest classic British sedans, offering elegance and comfort. It is sold without a title, only with a bill of sale. Number 13. The 1961 Buick LeSabre, priced at $550, located in Inland Empire, California. It features a 4-door hardtop body. Overall, the car is mostly complete, except for missing or damaged trunk floor that may need replacement. The body appears fairly solid, despite some rust and faded paint in certain areas. The interior is in poor condition, with the carpet removed and the rear seats damaged. The engine is complete and not seized, but it is currently being sold without documents and is offered as a parts donor or a restoration project. The asking price is very low, or it can be traded for a set of 14-inch 7-cross lace wheels with 72 spokes along with tires. Number 14. The 1965 Mercury Comet Caliente, priced at $5,000, located in Turlock, California. This car is in running and driving condition with valid license and insurance. It requires cosmetic restoration to improve its appearance. The floors and rear frame rails have been replaced. All suspension and steering components are new, including rear air shocks. The braking system has been upgraded with front disc brakes and a dual master cylinder. The 289 V8 engine features a Wien Street Warrior intake, a refreshed Holley 600 carburetor, new dual exhaust with an H-pipe and hypo manifolds. The C4 Green automatic transmission has been rebuilt, and the car is equipped with new aluminum radiator and electric fan. Additional new parts include a fuel tank, fuel pump, and tires. The ignition system has been upgraded with Petronix ignition and coil, new spark plugs, wires, and a male cap conversion. The car includes aftermarket gauges, a tachometer, chrome trim, new carpets, and window felts, which are included but not yet installed. Number 15. The 1964 Chrysler Imperial, priced at $8,000, located in Paso Robles, California. This car is described as drivable. The interior is approximately 85% complete, looking neat, but potentially requiring minor adjustments. It is powered by a 413 cubic inch big block engine, which runs well and adds value to this classic vehicle. The exterior paint is described as a 20-foot paint job, meaning it looks good from a distance, but has some rust spots that need attention for higher standards. The body is straight, but would benefit from a repaint if the buyer desires a better appearance. This car is unique and rarely found in running condition, making it an appealing project or collector's item. The seller is open to negotiation or trades for other projects, such as a Terrier MX-4 rat rods or 1950s Chevy pickups. If you are interested, please check the description of this video to contact the owner.